Alright, welcome back folks. Today we getting this John Deere that's stuck in the ground off the ground and put a new tire on. Already got the new tire mounted on the rim. As you see, the original on the other side is still on there. So how am I going to put this tire on that hub and jack it up? I mean, on the car you have jack points, right? Well, maybe you do on the rear on this thing. On the front, you don't. That's when you come take a little walk. And I'm gonna go on the tractor. Now I'll show you a really easy way to take off front tires off any John Deere tractor, just about, if you have a bucket assembly. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this tractor up. Now at this point, you're going to want to let the tractor work for you. So you're going to take your lever here that controls your hydraulics. And what we're going to be doing is push it down so it'll raise that bucket. Let's see. I'm being lifted in the air. Now, whoa. I'm up high enough where I can get off this tractor. As you see, both my front hubs are off the ground. They also move around. They do have play. Another reason why you can't jack it up on that. Take my impact, take my tire here. We'll start getting ready to mount it. Start my studs in by hand, just like a Volkswagen. But I'll tell you right now, this goes on a lot easier than a Volkswagen. Come over here and tighten these up. And I'll just give them a once over, make sure they're all tight. Now I'll get back on this and we'll lower it back on the ground. And that's how you put the front tires on the John Deere. Just now that I got some tires and I got my mowing deck on, I can probably mow this grass that is about, I don't know, 2 months overgrown. Move this with my bucket and do some work around the yard. Well, as always, please drop a like, share, subscribe, comment in the video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then.